Hello, my dear students. This video especially for the questions of share and dividends. I have taken the reference of this book, Understanding ICSE Mathematics by ML Agrawal, class 10. The chapter is shares and dividends. Before that, in the first part of this chapter, I had explained everything about shares and dividends, the formulae, terms, everything. If you see the first part, you can understand the second part, means the questions of the shares and dividends. And follow the channel Study Bright. If you subscribe, you will get the latest information, latest study material about your class, like class 10 mathematics. Here just I revise the three formulae which we use in the shares and dividends. The first formula is number of shares is equal to investment upon market value. This is the first formula. Means investment, market value, number of shares, these are related by this way. If you know the two variables, means two unknown things like number of shares and market value, you can get the investment. If investment and number of shares, then you can get the market value. If investment and market value you know, then you can get the number of shares. That is very simple. Then the second formula, based on the annual dividend AD. I had explained what is annual dividend in the first part of the video. Annual dividend, also known as the annual income, is equal to number of shares into RD, means rate of dividend, into nominal value. I told everything in the first part. Here also you can know, there are the three variables, means three unknown things, four unknown things, and if you know the three one, then you can get the last, means fourth one you can get. Third formula is the rate of return, or rate of return, also known as yield, also known as the profit on his percentage. So this is equal to, there are two formulae, RD into NV upon NV into 100%. This is the first one. Second formula of rate of return is annual dividend upon investment into 100%. So these are the three formulae, and these three formulae you will use in the chapter shares and dividend. Only these three formulae especially. So this is very simple and very easy exercise. First of all, you see the video which is based on the shares and dividend, the first part, in the Study Bright channel, because I have explained everything. Now I am going to do some questions based on this. That is exercise 3 in ICSE ML Agrawal, by ML Agrawal. So there are so many questions, but I will tell you the different questions. Like first one is the how to solve, especially how to solve and how to recognize the terms कि quantity, जो quantity दी गई है वो actual में है क्या, how to recognize. For example, the first one, question number 3. A man buys 210 rupees shares. A man buys, here given written like this, a man buys 210 rupees shares at 12.50, at rupees 12.50, and receives a dividend of 8%, and receives a dividend of 8%. Find the amount invested by him and dividend received by him. means you have to find the investment and annual dividend. जब dividend कहे तो it means it is the annual dividend. Now how to do? I tell you the what is the problem in the questions, means when you do the questions, when you solve, then what exactly given in the question, you have to find out that. तो हमने in that video, in the first part I told that the word share, this term shares, इसके पहले जो rupees लिखा होता है, that rupees you will consider as the nominal value. It means if you do the solution, so first of all you find the nominal value, and if you see the question, this is 200 in digit and 10 rupees in words. तो what is the, मतलब कि अगर 210 लिखना था तो 210 नहीं लिख सकते थे. He has written in the question 200 in digits and 10 rupees in words. It means the 10 rupees is the nominal value and 200 by 200 मतलब कि number of shares. This is the number of shares. So you can say that rupees 10 is the nominal value and number of shares is equal to 200. Then after the term shares, the rupees which is written the word after the word at, मतलब शेयर टर्म के बाद जो at होगा, at rupees या जो भी है, that rupees will be considered as the market value. What is market value? I told, I explained already in the first part of the video, so you must watch. So at rupees, so this is the market value, rupees 12.50. There are three types of market value. Also I had explained and very clearly. Now I receives a dividend of 8%. Here the dividend of 8%, it means this is the RD, 8% rate of dividend. These are quantities are given. Now you find the investment and annual dividend. If you see these formula, so investment, how to find the investment? Investment means number of shares into market value. Okay. When you do the questions, first of all, for all the students, you write the formula in one page, you need one page and keep in front of you. अपने पास रख के बिल्कुल सामने. And when you do the questions, what formula is applied, that you have to write, means see the formula and तुमको मिल ही जाएगा कि उसमें कौन सा formula लग सकता है. Then you can see, and after thereafter, the first part is the asking the investment. So investment is equal to number of shares into market value, and write the formula. That is very essential. When you write the formula, then no need to learn, क्योंकि अपने आप वो learn हो जाएगा. So in that case, I is equal to number of shares, that is 200. You can see this is 200 the number of shares into market value, that is 12.50. And when you multiply this one, you will get 2500. 2500 is the investment, means rupees 2500 is the investment for 200 shares, buying the 200 shares. This is the first part. Now the second part, the annual dividend you have to find. So annual dividend निकालने के लिए what you have to do? For the annual dividend, annual dividend is equal to, you know the formula, number of shares RD into NV, and everything you have, number of shares RD into NV. Put the values. This is 200. RD means 8%. 8% means 8 upon 100. And NV means rupees 10. And then you simplify, you will get your answer. So this 2020 cancel. 8 to the 16, 16 to the 160. This is the annual dividend. So by this way you can get easily, because all questions based on only these three formulas. Clear? Now the next question. One question I'm telling again. This question number 8. Ashok invest rupees 26400. Ashok invest, one person, Ashok invest rupees 26400 on 12% rupees 25 shares. On 12% rupees 25 shares. Clear? Of a company. If he receives a dividend 2475. If he receives rupees 2475 as dividend, find the number of shares and the market value. अब तुम्हें number of share find number of shares and market value. Okay, I told you that how to do the questions. First of all, you read the question 2 times and what quantities are given you must write. जैसे यहां पे लिखा है अशोक इन्वेस्ट रुपीज 26400 ऑन 12% rupees 25 shares. तो what is 26400? That is the investment, क्योंकि ये इन्वेस्टमेंट दिया गया. तो you can write here given quantity rupees 26400 is the investment. I told you the percent are rupees whatever given before the term share, that you will consider the percent consider as the rate of dividend and the rupees consider as the nominal value. So the rate of dividend is 12% and the nominal value is equal to rupees 25. And this 2475 as the dividend. So this is the annual dividend. Dividend क्या है तो इसका मतलब annual dividend. So it is annual dividend rupees 2475. Clear? These things are given. You have to find the number of shares and market value. Clear? Number of shares and market value. तो means you cannot put this value क्योंकि यहाँ पे 2 things are the unknown. तो investment दिया है, it is okay, but you don't have the market value, तो number of shares निकल नहीं सकता. Now from where you can get this one? Annual dividend is given, yes, 2475. Number of shares not given, okay, asking the number of share. RD is given, yes, RD is given. Nominal value is given, yes, nominal value is given. Means use this formula to find the number of shares. So use this formula. In the solution, AD is equal to number of shares into RD into NV. So it will be AD means 2475 number of shares. X you let लिखने से अच्छा है कि कुछ लेट कर ले, let X be the number of shares. तो बार बार लिखेंगे. RD means 12%. NV means 25. Now simplify for X. So 25 4s and 4 3s. So 3x is equal to 2475 or x is equal to 3 8s 3 2s 3 5s. Means number of shares are 825. These are the number of shares. After getting the number of shares, you can get the market value by using this formula. क्योंकि investment you know and the number of shares also you know. So market value you can get. So what is the market value? Market value is equal to investment upon number of shares. So this is equal to investment 26400 upon 825 and divided by 825. So you will get 825 if divided by 25. So 25 3s are 75, 3s are, and 25 1s are, and 25 5s are, so it will be, I think you can get one more in 8 minutes. So 26400 is 26400 upon 825. 5 1s are 5, 5 6s are, 5 5s are, 5 5s are, 5 2s are, 5 8s are, 5 3s are, 5 3s are, 5 1s are, 0, 5 5s are, 5 6s are, and 3 1s are, 3 1s are, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are, 3 2s are, and 11 3s are, and 11 2s are, means 32. 32 rupees is the market value. Calculation is very important. That is why I am telling you directly the calculation how to do. Because if calculation is wrong, then you can, and you will not use the calculator at your home as well as in the examination, because in the examination it is not allowed calculator. So you have to do by yourself in the side or anywhere. That is depends on you. Okay. So this is the second part of the question. Now the next question, where the rate of return also you have to find in this. Question number 11. Mr. Tiwari invested rupees 29040. Invested 29040 in 15% rupees 100 shares. In 15%, तो हमने बताया in 15% rupees 100 shares, so it will be rupees 100 shares at a premium of 20%. The premium is 20%. The meaning of premium, at premium, I told in the first part. What is the meaning of the at premium? At premium used in the market value. जब at premium होता है तो you have to add the premium percent in the nominal value, you will get the market value. So there is a market value formula, nominal value in 1 plus premium upon 100. So it will be 100 and 1 plus 20 upon 100. So it will be 120 rupees. This is the market value. Okay. Calculate the number of shares. Calculate the annual income, means from the investment, annual dividend, and the percentage return. The number of shares. So first you calculate the number of shares. How to calculate investment, you know, and market value. Use this formula, you will get the number of shares. So the first part, number of shares. Investment is 29040 divided by market value. So it will be 120. So 12 divided by the 12. 12 2s are 24. 5. 12 4s are 48. 2, 12 2s are 24. 242 number of shares. This is the first part. Second part, you have to find the annual income, means annual dividend. So number of shares you know, RD you know, NV you know. You put here, you will get the second part. 15% is the RD. So the second part, annual income is equal to number of shares 242, RD 15%, and NV is rupees 100. So it will be, now multiply by 15 this. So you will get 3630 is the annual income. Then find the rate of return. It is given the find the percentage return on his investment. So percentage return you can use this formula or use this formula. If you know annual dividend and investment both, then use this formula, you will get easily. So the rate of return, the third part, annual dividend, and annual dividend is what is the annual dividend? Abhi nikala 3630. So the rate of return is equal to annual dividend divided by investment. And what investment? 29040 into 100%. So this cut, and then divided by 363. 8 times, I think 363 into 8 times. Okay, 1 and 0. So 100 by 8. So this will be 4 2 8, 4 25 means 12.5% is the rate of return. So by this way you can get the rate of return, number of shares, annual dividend, everything, investment, market value, only by using these formulae. तो इस तरह से कर सकते हैं. कुछ क्वेश्चंस और हैं, but in that question, suppose for example, in some question it is given the which investment is better. मतलब if you have the two companies like question number 20, 21, 22, 21, 22. These two questions in which written the which company is better. मतलब there are two companies and you have to find which company is better. And nominal value, market value, and investment, everything is given. Better you find the rate of return of the two companies. मतलब इन दो companies का rate of return किस तरह का है. अगर return अच्छा है, it means that company is better. तो the return you calculate, rate of return. If the rate of return is good for A company, for the first company, then the first company is better. If the rate of return of the second company, that is B, is good, then the rate of return of the second company is better. तो based on the rate of return, जिसका rate of return ज्यादा होगा, वो company ज्यादा अच्छी होगी. Okay. So by this way, I will tell you some more things about the share and dividends in the next part of the video. So keep on watching and follow the Study Bright channel. If you subscribe, you will get the latest notification about your subject and also related to the study. Thank you and have a nice day.